The 3-day military diet is a popular short-term food plan that claims to help people lose up to 10 pounds in just a week. One of the coolest things about this diet is that it only lasts for 3 days, making it an easy and convenient option for people who want to shed some weight quickly. Following the military diet is surprisingly simple and doesn't require much effort. You don't have to count calories, spend hours at the gym, or buy expensive supplements. Instead, the diet calls for ingredients that are easily found at your local grocery store. So, how does the military diet work? It's all about decreasing your calorie intake over a short period, which kickstarts your metabolism and helps your body burn more fat. However, the diet is not a typical starvation diet. While it is low in calories, it includes healthy fats, carbohydrates, and protein, providing you with the energy you need to have a productive day. Let's take a closer look at the menu for the next 3 days. Day 1. Start your day with a hot caffeinated beverage, such as a cup of coffee or tea. Have 1 slice of toast, whole grain is best, with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Don't forget to grab exactly half a grapefruit. For lunch, have a cup of hot coffee or tea with a slice of toast and half a cup of tuna. Don't add anything else. Finally, for dinner, have about 85 grams of any meat, boiled or steamed, no fried chicken allowed, 1 cup of green beans, half a banana, and 1 small apple. You can also treat yourself to 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 2. For breakfast, have 1 slice of toast, whole grain is best, and 1 hard-boiled egg. Change things up a bit with half a banana. When it's time for lunch, eat 1 more hard-boiled egg, 5 saltine crackers, and 1 cup of cottage cheese. For dinner, have 2 hot dogs, yes, 2 hot dogs, as is, no bun or condiments allowed. Balance it out with half a cup of carrots, a cup of broccoli, and half a banana. You can again cover the banana with half a cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 3. Start the day with 5 saltine crackers, a slice of cheddar cheese, and 1 small apple. For lunch, have a slice of whole grain toast and 1 egg. Finally, for dinner, have a cup of tuna and half a banana, with a whole cup of vanilla ice cream. Remember, if you want to achieve the best results, follow the diet strictly for 3 days and then eat normally for the next 4 days. Don't overeat during the next few days, as it will only bring back all the weight you work so hard to lose. You can repeat the 3-day military diet every 4 days for several weeks in a row until you reach your goal. It's even better to stick to this eating plan for a whole month. To make this diet even more effective, there are some additional tips to follow. Start your day with a glass of water and drink 2 glasses of water before every meal. This is great for your health, as it keeps your body hydrated, flushes out toxins, and reduces your appetite, helping you feel full longer. Also, find a diet buddy to motivate and support each other. It's always a good idea to consult your doctor before trying any new diet, especially one that severely restricts calories. Your doctor can provide you with trusted advice on whether this diet is right for you or not, based on your health. So, there you have it, the 3-day military diet. This diet plan is easy to follow, doesn't require any expensive supplements, and can help you lose up to 10 pounds in a week. If you're looking to kickstart your metabolism and lose weight effortlessly, then this diet plan is for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.